Hello, English learners. Welcome back to another episode of the English Cat Podcast. I'm Alex.
And I'm Sarah. We are so happy you're here with us today.
Whether you are listening on your way to work, while cooking dinner, or just relaxing at home, this is the perfect time to improve your English. Today, we have something very special for you.
That's right, Alex. We have prepared 50 essential daily sentences. These are phrases you will use every single day in real life.
Exactly. The goal for today is simple. Listen, understand, and repeat. We are targeting the A2 to B1 level, so these sentences are perfect for beginners who want to sound more natural.
Here's how it works. Alex will introduce the sentence and explain when to use it. Then I will say the sentence clearly and slowly. I'll leave a quiet space for you to repeat it out loud.
Speaking out loud is the secret to fluency. Are you ready to get started?
Let's jump in.
Okay, let's start with the basics. The first few sentences are about being polite and starting a conversation. How have you been? This is a great alternative to how are you? Use it when you see someone you know but haven't seen in a little while.
How have you been?
Next sentence is, I really appreciate your help. A strong way to say thank you. Use this when someone does something nice for you.
I really appreciate your help.
Next sentence is, sorry for keeping you waiting. If you are late to a meeting or late to meet a friend, say this as soon as you arrive. It's very polite.
Sorry for keeping you waiting.
Next sentence is, it was nice chatting with you. This is how you end a conversation politely before you walk away.
It was nice chatting with you.
Next sentence is, could you please give me a hand? Give me a hand is an idiom. It simply means help me. Use this when you are carrying something heavy.
Could you please give me a hand?
Next sentence is, don't mention it. This is a friendly response when someone says, thank you. It means you're welcome or no problem.
Don't mention it.
Next sentence is, I'm afraid I can't make it. This is a polite way to say no to an invitation. If someone invites you to a party but you are busy, use this.
I'm afraid I can't make it.
Next sentence is, let's keep in touch. Use this when saying goodbye to someone you want to talk to again in the future.
Let's keep in touch.
Great start, everyone. Being polite makes a huge difference in English culture.
Now let's move on to asking questions and clearing up confusion. These are vital when you are learning.
Next sentence is, could you speak a little slower, please? Never be afraid to use this sentence. Native speakers often talk too fast.
Could you speak a little slower, please?
Next sentence is, what does that mean? Simple and essential. Use this when you hear a new word.
What does that mean?
Next sentence is, how do you spell that? Useful for names, emails, or addresses.
How do you spell that?
Next sentence is, could you repeat that, please? Use this if you didn't hear someone the first time.
Could you repeat that, please?
Next sentence is, do you have a minute? This is how you ask someone if they have time to talk to you.
Do you have a minute?
Next sentence is, what do you think about this? Use this to ask for someone's opinion.
What do you think about this?
Next sentence is, I'm not sure I understand. It is okay to admit you are confused. This is polite and honest.
I'm not sure I understand.
Next sentence is, does that make sense? Use this after you explain something to check if the other person understood you.
Does that make sense?
Next sentence is, where can I find the restroom? perhaps the most important sentence for travelers.
Where can I find the restroom?
You are doing great, listeners. We are nearly halfway there. Remember to breathe and relax your jaw when speaking.
Now let's talk about daily routines, plans, and common situations.
Next sentence is, I'm running a little late. Text or say this if you are behind schedule.
I'm running a little late.
Next sentence is, I have a lot on my plate right now. This is a great idiom. It means I'm very busy or I have many tasks to do.
I have a lot on my plate right now.
Next sentence is, are you free this weekend? The best way to start making plans with a friend.
Are you free this weekend?
I'm going to grab a coffee. Grab here means to get or buy quickly.
I'm going to grab a coffee.
Next sentence is, what time do you get off work? Get off work means to finish your job for the day.
What time do you get off work?
Next sentence is, let's meet up later. A casual way to say, let's see each other later.
Let's meet up later.
Next sentence is, I need to run some errands. Errands are small tasks like going to the bank, the post office, or the grocery store.
I need to run some errands.
Next sentence is, I'm exhausted. Stronger than I'm tired. Use this after a very long day.
I'm exhausted.
Next sentence is, what's the weather like today? The classic small talk question.
What's the weather like today?
Next sentence is, I'm looking forward to it. Use this when you are excited about a future event.
I'm looking forward to it.
Next sentence is, do you need a ride? This means, do you need me to drive you somewhere in my car?
Do you need a ride?
We are moving into section 4. These sentences help you express yourself and ask about others. Next sentence is, what do you do for a living? This is the standard way to ask, what is your job?
What do you do for a living?
Next sentence is, how was your day? Ask this to your partner or family member when they come home.
How was your day?
Next sentence is, that sounds like a plan. Use this to agree with an idea or a suggestion.
That sounds like a plan.
Next sentence is, I couldn't agree more. This means you agree 100% with someone.
I couldn't agree more.
Next sentence is, it's not my cup of tea. A polite British idiom meaning I don't like it. You can use it for movies, food, or music.
It's not my cup of tea.
Next sentence is, what have you been up to lately? A casual way to ask someone what they have been doing recently.
What have you been up to lately?
Next sentence is, do you have any recommendations? Use this at a restaurant to ask the waiter for advice on what to eat.
Do you have any recommendations?
Next sentence is, I'm just browsing, thanks. Use this when a salesperson asks if you need help, but you're just looking.
I'm just browsing, thanks.
Next sentence is, can I take a rain check? This means I can't do it now, but I would like to do it another time.
Can I take a rain check?
Next sentence is, long time no see. A very common phrase when you see a friend after many months or years.
Long time no see.
Next sentence is, take it easy. You can say this to tell someone to relax or as a casual way to say goodbye.
Take it easy.
We are in the final stretch. These last sentences are short, quick responses you can use in almost any conversation. Next sentence is, I have no idea. Stronger than I don't know.
I have no idea.
Next sentence is, it doesn't matter. Use this when something is not important.
It doesn't matter.
Next sentence is, good for you. Use this to congratulate someone on good news.
Good for you.
Next sentence is, better late than never. Use this when something happens late, but you are glad it happened anyway.
Better late than never.
Next sentence is, don't worry about it. Use this to comfort someone who made a small mistake.
Don't worry about it.
Next sentence is, sounds good to me. Another way to say I agree or okay.
Sounds good to me.
Next sentence is, keep up the good work. Encouragement for someone doing a job or learning something, like you learning English.
Keep up the good work.
Next sentence is, it's up to you. This means you can decide or the choice is yours.
It's up to you.
Next sentence is, let me check. Use this when you need to find information before answering.
Let me check.
And the last sentence is, have a good one. And finally, a friendly American way to say, have a good day.
Have a good one.
Wow, we made it. That was 50 essential English sentences. How are you feeling?
I hope you are feeling confident. Remember, you don't need to memorize all of these today. Listen to this podcast again while you're walking or cleaning. Repetition is the key.
Absolutely. Try to pick just 3 sentences from this list and use them tomorrow.
Thank you so much for tuning in to the English Cat podcast. We are so proud of your progress.
If you found this helpful, please subscribe to the channel, give us a like, and leave a comment telling us which sentence was your favorite.
It really helps us create more lessons for you. Keep practicing, stay curious, and we will see you in the next episode.
Bye for now.
See you later.